One question I get all the time from shufflers is how do I get my micro bounce to look more fluid and like I'm just floating across the floor rather than clunky? So many dancers come to me and they're like, my micro bounce feels really hoppy, it feels really awkward, right? And they really want it to look smooth, fluid, like they're just gliding across the floor. All right, I'm gonna tell you what I tell them. The first thing is that you want to imagine your foot is dragging across the floor rather than hopping or bouncing. Despite the name, despite what we're calling it, the motion itself is actually coming from more of a dragging motion. So if you stand on one foot right now, and you can do this exercise on both sides after, I want you to think about someone having a string wrapped around your ankle and yanking your ankle from the back like, whoa, okay? So doing that again, you might fall over, or hopefully you don't actually fall over. You might stumble a little bit like I did, but feeling that analogy of someone pulling a string from your ankle. Now notice that I'm not hopping to react to this, because naturally when we stand on one foot, we are grounded, right? Our full foot is on the ground. So we want to keep that flatness of the foot on the ground. And instead of lifting to hop ourselves, okay, we want to keep the foot flat on the ground and have a slight drag back. Now, if we're not lifting the foot, how are we getting ourselves back there? The actual bounce is coming from the knee rather than the foot. So instead of feeling like the foot is hopping, right, the foot is staying almost magnetized to the ground and the bounce is coming from your knee. So you're gonna start with your knee bent down, and then as you pull back, as someone yanks that string from behind your ankle, your knee is going to straighten and then release again. So it's gonna straighten as you pull back and then release and absorb as you land into your next spot. Keeping this really small as well, okay? We don't wanna try to hop or drag or bounce from here to here. We want to move in very small micro intervals, okay? So this bounce is starting in your knee, staying nice and grounded. The knee's gonna lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, okay? Doesn't have to be super dramatic. Obviously, I'm trying to like make it bigger right now so you can actually see it, but it happens very small. And notice that my foot is pretty much not leaving the ground at all. I am using enough strength with my larger muscles, my quads, my glutes, etc., that I am basically pulling myself back without my foot ever having to like fully leave the floor. All right. So the technique and the practice that I want you to take away from this, don't worry about your tapping pattern just yet. You can add that later. You can add transitions later. I really just want you to get the hang of this in itself. So pick up one leg. It doesn't matter which leg it is. I'll continue with the same one I was using. And I want you to ground down, imagine that string, and use the knee for the bounce. Okay, when you get to the other side, you're gonna switch, elevate the other leg, ground into the knee, and pull back. Once you get the hang of this, you can start now adding the timing of the tapping foot, play around with different tapping patterns, transitioning, rotating, all that good stuff. But this is the foundation that's gonna help you have a much more smooth and fluid micro bounce, AKA micro drag, what I like to call it. So this was just a little sneak peek of the full training that I have inside of my Footwork Blueprint Fundamentals course. This is one of many trainings that's gonna help you become a more powerful, confident, unique shuffle dancer. This course is 100% geared towards people who want to lock in on their fundamentals. They wanna learn how to micro bounce with a lot more clarity. They wanna learn T-step, rocking, running man, all the cutting shapes, foundations, and really, really nail them and feel precise in them so that they can not only do them slow, but start to work them up to speed and also do them at faster BPMs and faster tempos. It is a full online course with lifetime access, and you also get 60 days inside of a private community where you will get free coaching from me inside of the community. You will have weekly coaching calls. You'll be able to submit videos for feedback. So if you're like, my micro bounce is looking kind of wonky, what is happening here? I can really fine tune the feedback and customize it completely to you and what you need at any stage of your shuffle journey. This course is for people who are completely new to shuffling. So even if you've never learned the Microbounce before and you're just here because you're interested, I'm going to teach you that from scratch. But it's also a great course for people who have been shuffling for a while, but are feeling like they're missing that power, they're missing that pizzazz in their shuffling. Going back to their fundamentals is significantly going to help that kind of dancer as well. I'm gonna leave more information about that inside of the caption. I hope that this was helpful today. Let me know what other videos you want, what other things you're trying to learn, and make sure to subscribe to become a more powerful, confident, and unique shuffle dancer. Have a great day.